So this is the pound USD analysis for Tuesday the 3rd of October. Now, I did mark on the weekly level already on there at 36.68. Now on Sunday, similar story to the euro. I did say we did gap down, fill the gap and reverse downwards. I expected it to be similar to how, pardon me, similar to post-German election, where we did have a gap down, prices came up, filled the gap, and subsequently sold off. And again, this week, it's pretty much the same pattern, really. Gap down, came up to its moving average, filled the gap, and sold off. So, beneath where we currently were when I did the analysis, I was saying 33.50. I'll be looking to see if we hold that for a bounce all the way up to 34.29. Now, we didn't hold the 33.50 and we subsequently broke down to 32.81, which I did mention as well. Now, currently around 32.81, we are testing it from underneath. These current candles here, small bodies, I'm not very enthusiastic about them to trade to the upside. I'd like to see a strong bullish close from this 32.81 level for me to possibly think about a trade which is going to be contradictory to my weekly pivot of 33.68 to the upside for a test of 33.50. That's what's required. I'd require a strong candle on this current time frame to indicate some buying pressure in the market for me to target 33.50, although would be cautious as we are trading below the weekly pivot. Now, if we do break down from this level, based on where we testing beneath, where would I look next? The very next level beneath would be 31.47. 31.47. Let me just have a look at the higher time frames. See the significance of 31.47, whether that was a potential breakout zone. So let's defy, I go down to weekly chart. The monthly chart at present is okay. Let's just get zoomed in a bit. And let's see, 31.47. 31.47 is the actual weekly low from where we've had the most significant push to the upside. So we had a very significant push around September, the week commencing the September 11th. Now, if we go down all the way down to 31.47, we've pretty much got to the low of that candle. It was a pretty strong candle. We didn't have much downside momentum, closed near as high. But yeah, we are seeing the sell-off, and we've had three, currently, let's just see where we are. Yep, this is going to appears to be, if this week finishes as is currently trending, should be the third consecutive week of decline. Now, if we go back out, sorry about that, a bit tired. If we go back out to the monthly, and let's have a look, we do appear to be in a bit of the charts do look bullish in the sense that we had a base form, prices broke to the upside. So I'll use this as an example. I mentioned the small candles on the hourly time frame, and I said I would like to see a big candle which contradicts. Hold on, let's see what's happening there. I'd like to see a big candle which contradicts the consolidation, suggesting a breakout, or a big candle suggesting a breakdown. So if we have a look on this chart here, I'm just hoping this comes up in the recording. It should do. We have this consolidation here. This big candle is a break of consolidation. Now this break of consolidation is my trigger to look at potential longs, even though I might be acting in contradiction to the weekly pivot. And it's a similar story to what I expect on lower time frames on the pound USD, whether the 32.81 will hold or will break down from there to target the low of the week where we've had the strongest bullish move most recently. down at 31.47. So let's just go back down to the let's go down to the weekly. Again, that's what we're saying. We're heading to about a pullback. This pullback from 36.50 being the actual close of the weekly candle in and around Brexit. And yep, let's hold on a second, zoom that a bit too much. Get this let's get scaling right. So as you can see, this is our Brexit candle there, pretty big candle, and it actually closed at 36.59.9. So we do seem to have some selling pressure in and around there. If I go back down to the hourly, yeah, so if I do see a bullish candle breaking above this 32.81, I'm going to look at possible cautious longs towards 33.50. If, however, we break down, we see prices closing beneath that 32.60 level, and I mean a strong close, so closing near its low, I will be targeting 31.47 to the downside on pound USD. So before I wrap up, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.